The music of Sergei Rachmaninoff was his cello sonata for cello and piano, composed in the year 1901. And we present that as part of our birthday tribute today to the great cellist Yo-Yo Ma, celebrating a birthday born on this day, October 7th, in 1955 in Paris. Raised primarily in New York, continues to perform as a soloist in orchestras and recital chamber music, which we just heard him. Music ambassador, a friend of those in music too. You may remember that in the height of the pandemic, Yo-Yo Ma performed the complete solo Bach cello suites that was May 2020 during the height of the pandemic. People were in isolation, and he came to them via television and radio and online and played those works, dedicated his performance to the frontline health workers and also those who lost loved ones and those who were working through the pandemic. And he also established the Silk Road in the 90s that was inspired by the scope of the ancient trade network that connected Asia to Mediterranean. Happy birthday, Yo-Yo Ma, on this October the 7th, year 2022. Thank you very much for your performances.
I'm growing onion grass again. Some bamboo.